Let's talk about the design. Phone is available in 3 stunning colors: mirror black, mirror purple, mirror gold. In short, the Galaxy Z Flip is gorgeous. No doubt about that. Even if you don't find its form factor particularly useful, its charms are hard to deny. It just comes down to the combination of premium glass finish, rounded edge, and an impressive flat close state, thanks to the new sophisticated hinge design. Before we move to the display, if you are new to my channel, please hit the like and subscribe button for in-depth reviews and latest tech updates. Never miss a new video by clicking on the little bell icon. On to the main attraction on the Galaxy Z Flip, then and its foldable display. As far as specs goes, it is 6.7-inch AMOLED unit, which is with a resolution of 1080 by 2636 pixels. Definitely not bleeding edge as far as density does, but still operating as a crisp 425 ppi. Having seen it in person, we can say with certainty that the lower resolution is non-issue here. On the plus side, the panel is cushioned, still lives under Samsung new dynamic AMOLED family. That means you get the full benefit of Samsung excellent contrast, punchy colors, and peak brightness. It has thicker display. It's advertised 1.1-inch size in technically a bit gorgeous and closer to 1.06 inches with all round corners, which looks stunning. The Z Flip does not really shoot quite as high. It's notably missing out on all the space zoom hype with things like 30x and 100x zoom. In fact, it doesn't even have a zoom camera. Even so, the main 12 megapixel wide snapper on the Z Fold looks perfectly confident on paper and held up well in our quick initial test in person. Even on paper, it looks quite comparable to the main module in S20 and S20 Plus. That means a decently bright f1.8 lens and few important bells and whistles like OIS and dual pixel PDAF. Lending a hand to the main camera, we have another 12 megapixel ultra wide unit. This one rocking a 123-degree wide field of view and with the aperture of 2.2, nothing too fancy. The same goes for video recording, slightly darker at 2.4 and without dual pixel tech. The Z Flip sticks to the last year Qualcomm SM8150 Snapdragon 855 Plus. That chipset still have plenty of raw power to throw around, 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It comes as no surprise that the Z Flip is not taking part in the 5G push that S20 family is leading. There are pretty decent pair of batteries inside the device, totaling a respectable 3300 mAh. Unfortunately, you are limited to charging those at max of 15 watts. Now at the end, let's talk about the price. Where the price is concerned, it's huge. We know the pricing as well, and to nobody's surprise, Samsung first vertical folding gems demands a pretty penny, 1380 USD. For Euro, it is 1480 and 1300 GBP, which is really expensive. If your pocket allows, you can go ahead and consider this phone. One thing is for sure though, the Z Flip is definitely a phone that you need to handle in person first before committing to a purchase decision. That's all about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Catch you in my next video. Peace out.